Hey, it's Robby here, and I want you to take this quick quiz right now. It'll take you about 5 seconds. So here are the answers, and the question is, how much money did my students generate in the last 12 months using my three-step system, right? Here are your answers: 26 million, 10 million, 1 million, $750,000. Right? Think about it for a second. How much money did I help my students make in the last 12 months? Well, guys, I'm telling you what it's not. It is not $750,000. So if you pick D, you'd be wrong, right? Now we're left with 26 million, 10 million, a million. Well, it's not 10 million, right? So it's definitely not $10 million, right? So is it 26 million or is it a million? How much money do you think I helped my students from all over the world, real people, make online? Well, before I give you the answer, guys, I want you to hear from some real people from all over the world that are using this system to generate life-changing income online, and it might give you a hint into how much money they've made over the last 12 months. So let's hear from them right now.
I'm making now $2,000 to $4,000 profit a day, and last week I made over $14,000.
What I truly love about this business model is how I'm now able to make what I used to make in a week in a day, and what I used to make in a month in a week. And I'm now on my way to make what I used to make in the whole year in a single month.
So here we are, May 24th, 2021, and there is 2,000. I hit it here on May 18th. I love seeing 4 digits almost every single day for the past 2 weeks. You can see these numbers. Look at that. Last week I had 10,000.
Man, like you went from $3,000 in a week to 23,000. Then you basically doubled it to 2,000. I mean, that's incredible stuff, man.
Push forward, live your dream. I mean, that's the dream, like being financially independent. I mean, that's the ultimate goal here. Push forward, it's gonna be worth it. I promise that.
All right, so you can see people are having incredible success using 3 simple steps. Now, back to the answer. Is it $26 million that I've helped my students generate in the last 12 months, or is it $1 million, guys? Well, the answer is A, right? I've helped out $26 million being made by my students using my 3-step system, guys. And the best part about it is, I'm not just saying that, guys. ClickBank themselves actually wrote a letter confirming that number, right? Which is unbelievable, guys. And the best part is they're not making this money with their own product. They're not making their money having to come up with a website or a Shopify store. All they're doing, guys, is doing the 3-step system, which is very simple. Let me show you what it is. Number 1 is they're gonna go ahead and they're going to partner with an offer, right? So the reason why this is so important is because you don't wanna waste time creating your own product. Why not partner with a product that already is working and is already getting sales? And so every time I get a sale promoting somebody else's product, I get paid a commission. Now I focus on products that pay me at least $100 per sale, right? At least, okay? Now the reason why this is so powerful is because $100 is a lot of money, right? It's for one sale. I mean, think about it. Like, as you're watching this video, how many hours does it take you to make $100 in a single day, right? Probably 5, 6, 7 in most cases. I do it with one sale, okay? Now, if you get 10 sales in a week, it's $1,000. 10 sales in a day is $1,000. So you can see how this compounds is very, very powerful. So once I find my offer, right, I'm gonna go ahead and create a quiz. Now, why do we do a quiz? Well, the reason is simple. I just started this ad with a quiz and you watched it, right? Because you're curious about the answer. And that's what happens right here, because there's so many quizzes online. Which celebrity are you most like? What animal are you gonna be? What movie are you most like, right? You take these quizzes not because it's important, but because the curiosity is there and you wanna find out. And so that's what we do right here with this quiz. I'm gonna show you how to do this quiz without any tech skills, right? And then finally, number 3, is I go ahead and I send a bunch of traffic, which basically means eyeballs, right? So I send eyeballs to the quiz sends people the offer, and that's how the whole system works. And I'm gonna show you what traffic source I use. It's a social media platform. The chances are you're already logged into it on your phone, and I show you how to make money with it, guys. So that's the 3 simple steps that have allowed my students to make collectively $26 million in the last 12 months. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, guys, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and register for my free workshop, which is taking place today, right? So we're gonna show you exactly how these 3 steps are making this much money for my students and how it can help you too. So go ahead guys, click the link on this video, head over to the next page and register for my free workshop so you can learn exactly how to use this 3-step system by finding the right offer. I'm gonna show you exactly what offers we use and we recommend that I'm using right now, my students are using right now to make thousands per day. I'm gonna show you how to build your quiz without worrying about tech skills or any complicated stuff, right? And finally, I'm gonna show you how to send traffic, a boatload of clicks to the offer, right, using one specific platform, right? And you're gonna see collectively how this 3-step system is so powerful that it helped my students collectively generate $26 million online in the last 12 months. So what are you waiting for, guys? Now is the perfect time to start your online business using this powerful 3-step method, guys. So click the link on this video, head over to the next page, and I'll see you on the other side.